This week's Ask Dr. Durie comes from a patient who wants to know what is a bubble. He's heard people talking about these bubbles, which seem to be very important, and he wants to know what that's all about. Well, this is a new part to our language in these times of the COVID-19 crisis. A bubble is a group of individuals, but it also can be a region like a county or a small town, or it can actually be a whole country where everyone is safe and has either a very low level of COVID-19 infection or in some cases, zero active infections. It's hard for people in America to realize that there actually are some countries in the world, like Iceland and New Zealand, where there are no active cases of COVID-19 infection. Now, we cannot achieve that right now here in the US, but what you can do is within your own family and or within a group of your friends, you can establish people who have had no exposure to COVID-19 for a period of, let's say, 2 weeks, and we would consider them to be safe. People who have been in quarantine, people who have had no contact outside of your known group. And so this is what we call a bubble, a collection of people who are safe. They don't have active infection. In some cases, it might have been possible for some people to have had a COVID-19 test and to find out that they are negative. For example, some people might have someone who comes to the home to help, or a dog walker or something like that. And many or most of these people have had COVID-19 tests, and so that you know that these people are COVID-19 negative. And so this type of a bubble is very important to establish who is in your personal bubble, your friends, your family and contacts, and who is out of the bubble. And someone might end up being out of the bubble if they have to travel and go out of town or run into contact in the community where the infection level is high. And then if they are infected or not, we don't know. We have this problem where asymptomatic people can have the virus and can transmit the virus. And so being very much aware of this idea of what is a bubble and who is in your bubble and who might be out of your bubble or might need to be out of your bubble is extremely important, because we know that if infection comes into that bubble with a group of people that you're very close with, then multiple people within a family or a group of friends could develop the COVID-19 infection. And so the bottom line is, do be aware of what a bubble is and try to stick with your own bubble and see who is in and who is out or might need to be out. And with this, you can maintain a much higher level of safety day to day. And right now, with increasing hotspots in different parts of the country, maintaining this bubble is incredibly important.